What's up, everybody? It's Raf in the Rafcave, and this is an unboxing of the current flagship model Linksys Velop triple node mesh Wi-Fi system. Man, this is perfect. I mean, you know, I just did the unboxing of the two node system, the white version, and you know, it's been great. Let me tell you guys, it's great having the main node here and the second node on my second floor. Everything was hooked up to it great. Wi-Fi was connected. Everything was working fine. Mesh system is fantastic. Today is Cyber Monday, and lo and behold, I look into the Best Buy ad, and this system here, which normally goes for $479, today only $299. Holy cow. So I was able to exchange the two node one by the wonderful associate at Best Buy. Thank you very much, customer service. Did a great job, and got this one. So not only am I getting a third node for 50 bucks, that they're all black with the exclusive Best Buy edition. Now this one here, 6,000 square feet of coverage, 3 nodes, premium AC 6600. I can't wait to put a node in each one of my floors of my house. Perfect. I love it. So I highly suggest you guys looking into this, because it gives you so much control of your home network and the control to turn off individual devices in your house. So like, again, game consoles on too late at night, tablets on too late at night, hit that deactivate button and turns off the Wi-Fi. So I love the control with this, and it's just going to get better and better as more updates happen to the app and more updates happen to these guys right here to give your house just the perfect networked of Wi-Fi. It's fantastic. Let's get this unboxed. Let's go. Black pin. Oh yeah, let's get this unboxed. Oh, I just wanted to have that three node design, you know, just to have every floor covered in the Wi-Fi source. I mean, it's just an awesome feeling to have every floor covered. So I can't wait to get this unboxed and check out the black version of this guy. Oh, sweet. Get out of there. All right, so specs on the back. Velop. You know, this is what I had here, which is fine. It was good, but now we have the ultimate. Love it. Specs are great. Get the 3 Wi-Fi nodes in the house. Awesome. Side shot. And let's lift this grand piece of mesh glory. Oh, damn. Oh man, black nodes, these are beast looking. I love it. Dang, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Awesome, perfect. So I'll put one of these in each one of my floors. Rafcave, living room, upstairs office, and I will have complete coverage. Complete coverage. This is the download the app. The app is great, Linksys app, and you're able to control everything, set up all your devices, set up the parental controls, prioritize up to 3 devices for better signal strength and speed, and just have just total control of your network. It's wonderful. Oh, I love the black Ethernet cable and the 3 black power cords. This is beautiful. Fantastic. All right, well, I'm going to get these unboxed and hooked up. And just like before, it's going to be great, and I'll just have an extra node with more coverage and have more freedom of my devices to hook up to a closer node in the house. So I am super excited to get this going. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to hook these up, and feel free to look into it. Skol!